Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So, children, as you all know, that today this is our online EVS class and we are going to do our activity work. So, I hope you all have completed your activity number 1 of chapter number 5 and 6, that is food and water. And I hope you all have completed that activity and understood it very well. Okay, now today what we are going to do, we are going to do the next activity of the same chapter, that is chapter number 5 and 6, food and water. Is that clear? So today we are going to do activity number 2 and I hope you will all complete this work by today itself, and please make sure that from Monday you can come to school to get your copies corrected also. Is that clear, children? Now in this activity what you have to do is that you have to read the questions which are given and then you have to answer the following questions. Okay, I will give you some questions and you have to answer them on your own. Is that clear? So I will just explain all the questions and with the answers, and in the assignment you will get it, so you can write it in your notebooks. Our first question is write 3 uses of water. Okay, वाटर के 3 यूजेस हमें बताने हैं कि वाटर हमें कैसे हम किस किस चीज़ में यूज़ करते हैं. सो आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन. नाउ आवर आंसर इज washing, drinking and cooking. We use water for washing clothes, okay, washing utensils and drinking, and also when we cook the food we need water. Okay, so washing is washing, drinking is drinking, and cooking is cooking. Now coming towards the next question, that is write the sources of water. Now what is the meaning of sources of water? From where we get the water. Water का क्या source है? We have to write the answer about that. Okay, so there are some sources of water which you all know. So the answer will be, as you all know, children, you can write it on points: ponds, lakes, rivers and seas. PONDS ponds, LAKES lakes, RIVERS is rivers, and SEAS seas. But you all know that river water we can use lake water also, but we cannot use sea water for drinking as it is salty. Now moving towards a third question, that is how can we clean the water. हम water को clean कैसे कर सकते हैं? Because the water that we get from the taps is always dirty, it carries some germs. So how can we clean the water? So as you all know that we can clean the water by boiling it for 20 minutes. हमें water को अगर clean करना है, so we have to boil it. Okay, हमें उसको उबालना चाहिए कितनी देर तक? For 20 minutes. Is that clear to you all, children? I hope you all are getting the questions. You all are understanding it very carefully. Moving towards our fourth question, that is how can we save water? Write the ways to save water. हमें पानी कैसे बचा सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमें पानी बचाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And how can we save the water? We have to write it in the ways of saving our water. Okay, so how can we save it? You all know. We will write it in points, children. Listen to the points very carefully. First point is turn off the tap after using it. Okay, अगर आप टैप वाटर यूज़ कर रहे हो तो तुरंत उसको यूज़ करके बंद कर दो. देन सेकेंड इज़ डोंट वेस्ट वाटर व्हेन यू बेथ. आप नहाते हैं तो आपको पानी वेस्ट ज़्यादा नहीं करना चाहिए. जस्ट यूज़ limited amount of water for bathing. Is that clear? Now I hope these 2 points are clear to you all. Now the next 2 points are collect the you should always collect rainwater. Okay, when we are we save the water, first main point is to collect the rainwater in containers for future use. Is that clear? Rain is the main source of water, so we have to collect it in the containers for future use. Okay, next point is store water in clean containers. We should store water in clean containers. So there are 4 points how can we save the water. I hope you all are clear with this. Now coming to the fifth question, write some human activities that makes water dirty. Okay, so you in this you have to write the activities that makes water dirty. हम लोग ऐसा क्या काम करते हैं जिससे human activities जिससे water dirty होता है. Is that clear? Now the answer will be throwing garbage into water bodies. Okay, हम लोग जो कूड़ा जो है वाटर बॉडीज़ में जो फेंक देते हैं. देन वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स नियर वाटर बॉडीज़, हमें जो क्लोथ्स वाटर बॉडीज़ के पास जाके जो धुलते हैं. सो दीज टू एक्टिविटीज़ आर द मेन एक्टिविटीज़ दैट मेक्स द वाटर dirty, and there are other two activities also. Is that clear, children? So the other two activities are bathing animals in water bodies. जब हम animals को भी bathing के लिए water bodies में छोड़ देते हैं. And the next is discharging waste from factories into water body. जो भी फैक्ट्रीज का वेस्ट है उसका जो भी वेस्ट हम डिस्चार्ज किस में करवाते हैं, वाटर बॉडीज में. सो दैट मेक्स द वाटर बॉडीज dirty. Okay, so these are some 4 points which makes the water bodies dirty. Is that clear, children? So I hope this activity too is clear to you all. Please make sure that you complete this activity in your notebooks, EVS notebooks, and make sure that you complete it very nicely. You will write down today's date and then you will complete the whole activity number 2. Is that clear? So children, by this we will complete our 5th and 6th water and food and water chapter activity will be completed. So till my next video, goodbye children. Take care, stay at home and stay safe always.